Okay, on this problem, we have a whole number and we need to minus a fraction. So I'm going to do this vertically. I always like to do adding and subtracting of fractions when we have a mixed number vertically. Now you can kind of see the problem right away here. We have 2/9 that needs to be subtracted, but there isn't a fraction over here. So what we're going to do is we're just going to borrow a number here. So we're going to go down from 11 to 10, and we're going to make it a fraction. We're going to make it 9/9. So notice 9/9 would be a whole. That would be 1, and then that's where the borrowed number came from. Okay. So again, we borrowed a number from the 11, made it 10, and we're writing it as a fraction 9/9. Now the reason we do that is that so we are able to subtract this 2/9. So now we can go 9/9 minus 2/9, we end up with 7/9. 10 minus 8 is 2. Okay, let's look at one other example. Let's say we had 8 minus 5 and 3/4. Okay, so again we set it up 8 and then 5 and 3/4. Okay, if we're subtracting, well, again, we need something to subtract the 3/4, so we're going to borrow, make this 7. The one we borrowed, we're going to make into a fraction. We want it to have the same denominator, so we'll just make this one 4/4. So 4/4 minus 3/4, we'll get 1/4. 7 minus 5, we'll get 2. So 2 and 1/4. So anytime you're subtracting and you need more, you need like a fraction part to subtract the fraction part, you can always borrow a whole as long as you represent that whole number there.